What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Telematics unit that is installed on this 2017 Acura NSX. All right, so here we're up under the dash. So this is where the Telematics unit is sitting. So what we have to do is take out these clips. So what you want to do is hold the edge steady with one finger while you go ahead and twist with the other. Then you can pull this down. So you do that to all three. All right, so this is the guy we're looking for right here. This is the Telematics unit. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna plug out the harnesses here. And then that'll get us access to the three screws. So there's one screw right here. We're gonna take out. And the other two screws are on the other side. Okay, so now we have the unit out. So first thing I wanted to do is say a shout out to Green TV. He's one of the subscribers to the channel, and he's the one that actually gave me and sent me a lot of this information. So here, we're just gonna go over this real quick. So on the models of NSXs that have the part number ending in 30, this is no longer going to work as the 3G towers are being decommissioned and 5G is up. You're going to have to get a new one. The new part number ends in 40. So this is no longer good. So this is a 3G module. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. This is a T10. So we're going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws. And then we're going to go ahead and pry open the tabs here. Okay, and so what we're going to find here, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but this is a 3G chip in this particular board. Okay, so you can see here, this is a Sierra wireless module, Qualcomm 3G. So this is no longer going to provide that Acura Link functionality. So in order to keep this working under the new 5G requirements and changes, this box is gonna have to be changed. So unfortunately for me, if I wanna use the Acura Link, I'm going to have to change this module out. So now you know where the module is located, up under there, pretty easy to get to. This is a quick install. I don't know if there are any steps that are needed. The gentleman who reached out to me told me that he did have to reach out to Acura. There may or may not be a cost associated with getting a new unit programmed to the car, linked to the car, added to the account, whatever you want to call it. But that's it for today's video on this Telematics. So I'm gonna go ahead, button this back up and get it in the car. All right, we want to thank y'all for tuning into this video. I'm gonna leave a list of the part numbers down in the description so you'll know what you're looking at for those part numbers, or if you need to order the updated 5G version. As for this, it's your boy BT. I'm out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.